Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Linguistics and Poetics. Our YouTube channel সকলকে স্বাগত. The figure of speech we are going to cover today is personification. So in this video we shall concentrate on personification, the figure of speech personification. So please subscribe my channel, watch the full video and press the notification button so that you never miss an update from my end. So personification, first its definition. Personification key. So person, if you search in Wikipedia, then you will see that personification is a figure of speech in which things are presented as person. So it is a figure of speech based on imagination in which the inanimate objects, non-living things or abstract ideas are imagined as living beings. So a figure of speech in which non-living things are given human traits is called personification. The endowment of abstract ideas and inanimate objects with attributes and characteristics of human being is called personification. So personification in Bengali it is called প্রাণসত্তা আরোপ. আমরা যখন কোনো নির্জীব বস্তুতে প্রাণ আরোপ করি, when we present a thing, the writer or poets present a non-living things or inanimate objects or abstract ideas as living being. যেমন প্রাণ আরোপ করি, যেন সেই নির্জীব বস্তুটি মানুষের মতন কাজ করতে পারে, চিন্তা করতে পারে, হাসতে পারে, কাঁদতে পারে, যখন এই প্রাণ আমরা আরোপ করি, ব্যক্তিত্ব আরোপ করি, তখন তাকে বলা হয় পার্সনিফিকেশন. পার্সনিফাইড, the non-living things or inanimate objects or abstract ideas are personified, are given human traits. So the personification is a figure of speech. It is a figure of speech in which non-living or inanimate objects and abstract ideas are given human traits or characteristics. It is a figure of speech in which the attributes of a person are transferred to the non-living things, to the abstract ideas or inanimate objects. Well, such writing is called personification. Personified. So given, presented, imagine. A personification is a figure based on imagination. We imagine inanimate objects or things as if it acts like a person. It feels, it thinks. For example, the sun smiles and the flowers dance, etc. The wind rolls. These are the common examples of personification. I am going to give you some great examples of personifications. Example. For example, the earth held the wound. Sorry, W-O-U-N-D, wound. Number 2, great pines grown aghast. Number 3, earth has not anything to show more fair. You may have heard or read the poem of Wordsworth, that is sonnet composed upon Westminster Bridge. So this line is from Wordsworth's poem. The earth has not anything to show more fair. Earth, inanimate objects, is personified with the verb had and to show. Thank you.